Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and oh my gosh. So I did just do my Inspirational Friday video, and it says that I did not go to work today. It's been kind of a long week. I will be going tomorrow to make up for today. But today I was like, I need to get a bin so that I can organize things in my house. So I have the lid here, but the whole entire bin is full of stuff. I went in for the bin, and I think I ended up spending $100. But let me just show you guys what was $100. A lot of stuff. Sorry, my dog, is trying to eat the camera, and they just got a snack, so they think they need more. Like, is it anyone else's dog? Like, I'm like, oh, I'll give them a snack, and then they just want more and more. Like, yeah, they're like kids. You give them one thing, and they want more. So let's get started, because this is huge, you guys, huge. So this is my normal thing. I get, let's see, let me just do these. So I got several of these ones. So these are the Pure Kick Energy. This is the Black Cherry Pomegranate. This one is by far my favorite. This one is pretty good, Blood Orange. And so these each have 6 sticks, and this has 8 packets, and it is the Energy Peach Mango. So I just drink them during the day, little things in my water. So I got a lot of those. This is a different one. This is the Energy Acai Berry. This also has 8. This will last me probably 2 weeks, but so we don't have like a Dollar General kind of out where I live. So you kind of have to go into town for it, which sucks. So I'm like, you know, I don't know if I'm the only person. If I need a gallon of milk, I'm willing to pay the convenience. We don't have a convenience store out here. We have like a Fry's, and we have a Walmart, and my husband's like, oh, I'll just run into Walmart. It is not just running in. Like, the milk is all the way in the back of the store. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm lazy. I would much rather run into like a Dollar General, Family Dollar, something, a Circle K. I don't even care, to grab that one thing that I need. And my husband's like, it's okay, I'll go get it. No, it's not just a run in and out. 20 minutes later. So anyways, yeah, so that's my big rant. I want one out here, and my husband said, no, it's gonna devalue or whatever. No, it won't. No, it won't. You just don't want it out here because I'll be there more. No. Anyways, guys, so I've been doing some crafting, and these are probably not the best bang for your buck, I guess. So these are the tape runners. It is a 1/4 inch permanent tape runner, double-sided tape. I've hauled these before. I love them. I don't care if they are not a good bargain. They are $1, and this is at the Dollar General. The Dollar Tree tape that comes in the little tape dispenser thing, the double-sided, didn't even stick to the paper for me. Like, I love Dollar Tree, but it did not work for me. So this is 21.6 feet. So I got 3 of them. They were $1 each. I'm sure, like I said, eventually I can find something somewhere else, but for now that is good, and I love them. I just used 2 full ones last night trying to make a little recipe book that I'll show you guys later, but I love them. Absolutely love them. And that's another thing, like, we don't have, so we're kind of like on the outskirts of our town, so we don't have like a craft store out here. I mean, it is a process. Sorry, my dog is thinking he's going to come in on this haul. It is a process to get to the store and stuff. So, you know, I mean, I love me some shopping, but there's a Goodwill out here, and there is a Dollar Tree pretty close. I'm good with those ones. So anyways, keep going. I'm trying to save this other good, like, I got so much clearance stuff, it's insane. And I don't know if it was supposed to be that cheap. I'll tell you when I get there. Another one of these. 1, 2, 3. So I got 2 of the red, 2 of the orange, and 2 of these ones. Again, I don't drink coffee. It's not even, I have lupus, and that makes you tired, but I don't know. I'm just tired naturally, okay? Like, I need that stuff. Maybe it's mental. I don't care. I got 2 of these, the cherry limeades, the sparkling ice. They are 0, or they're 5 calories. Dollar Tree, I don't know. This is my favorite flavor. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing. The lemonade is my second favorite, but I don't know if it's maybe off season or something, but Dollar Tree has not been having them lately. Again, I don't drink coffee, but my oldest son loves coffee. And I saw this, it's International Delight iced coffee. He loves Oreos, like it's his favorite cookie. And it says, it's just like we dunked Oreo cookies in your iced coffee. So I did get 2 of these. I already put one in the fridge. Actually, I put a lot of stuff away and then I was like, oh no, I did not just spend all that money to not at least have one more haul to do. So then I put it all back in the bin. Yes, I did. So this has 220 calories and has 36 grams of sugar, but it's not going to affect him. But it says made with real milk and cream by International Delight. It is the bigger can, so it's 15 fluid ounces. I think he's going to love it. So I was excited. I had not seen that. So again, I did get 2 of those. I think, no, I did. Everything else is not. So this is just the regular sink caddy thing, the Dollar General. I think this was $3.50. Oh, this was $2.25, guys, just so you know. And this was $3. It's just the sink caddy. Odd thing is, I do not have one of these. And all the stores and shopping I do, why have I not picked one up? And so I didn't. I needed one, trust me. I did get the Febreze. I cannot believe how long I literally sat in the trash bag section looking for these. I have my regular trash bags that we use at home, but again, today I'm going to do organizing and just kind of decluttering. So I needed some trash bags and I said, let me just get a little box that's like $1 so I don't, use our home trash bags. You went like just to get something real quick. I stood in that aisle like, oh no, maybe not that box. Oh wait, no. Oh, let me. You guys, like, I should grab a dang box, Amy. So this is the 6 bags, 30, yeah, I was like, wait, I thought I got the smelly ones. They are. With Gain. Original scent, I'm just going to use them. We did not use these in the house just because, let me just tell you guys, we are the reason landfills are full. My family is. I've never in a million years, seeing people take their trash out this much. I mean, I know our garbage man is like, good God, like what do they do inside that house? Like, it is a hot mess, you guys. Like, we go through so many trash bags. We have to buy them in bulk from Costco. This little thing, oh no, guys, like we would be poor if we tried to buy them like this. No, we buy in bulk from Costco trash bags. It's insane. I guess I should be thankful that they put their trash in the trash bags, because for a while I would just take my trash bag and go through their room and gather all their trash. So I guess beggars can't be choosers, right? I think the rest of this, besides my bin I got for like $5, I don't know, was clearance. So the price that's on here, I paid 50% of that. So my husband on Sunday, they were doing a 1-hour job on a truck, okay, him and his friend. He said, it'll just be an hour. They started at 9:30 in the morning. I think it was about 10 o'clock at night, they just finished. At like 2 in the afternoon, I went out there and I was like, so how's it going? And they were like, oh, we just YouTubed how to do it, so I think we're doing it right. That is the difference between men and women, you guys. Like, it would not have taken me that long to stand outside in the heat to Google how to do something, okay? So anyways, they were doing that, and then he said, well, we don't have any more hand cleaner. And I was like, I'm sorry. But then I saw this, so I picked some up. It's the Purple Power Heavy Duty Cream Hand Cleaner. I paid 75 cents for it. It's normally $2 and it's 12 ounces. So I got that for him for his next job that he wants to accomplish. I know his friend was cussing him out because they wanted to put like a leveling kit, I guess, on like the raised trucks or lifted trucks. And so he told his friend, yeah, I know how to do it. I would be so mad. Like, you just made me spend my whole entire day off doing this when you said you knew how to do it. I would have been mad. Anyways, so this right here says it was $3. I kept the receipts. Hold on, guys, I'm sorry. Hello, we're up close and personal again. I just wanted to see, because this one I know, some of these were like way, 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 way cheap. Sorry, I'm going to try to hurry up so that you guys don't have to see me all day long. Okay, come on here. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to look really quick, but it's just not working. Chocolate mold, hold on. Oh my gosh, shoot. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, this is my receipt. Yeah, I think this is the longest receipt I've ever had, but I just could not stop. Like, yeah. And again, I went in for a bin. Thank goodness I got that bin, huh? So come on. Oh wait, I guess the purple hand cleaner was 30 cents. No. Yeah. Looks like, oh, what the heck? I don't know. Anyways, all right, guys, I don't know. Anyways, this was like 30 cents. So I believe I got all that they had because I don't know like what they do with them after that, and I didn't want them to go away. But when things open up, we do a lot. Like we do Disneyland a lot. I really want to go like whitewater rafting and stuff like that. And so I just loved these. Like these are little things for your cell phones. And let me just tell you guys another thing real quick. So what I tell my patients all the time, okay, so if you have somebody in the elderly, let me tell you. So I'm at 10.5 minutes. Sorry guys, this might be long, I don't know. Anyways, so if you have an elderly person and they have a cell phone, you know, don't tell them to put it in their pocket, don't tell them to put it in their hand, because when we fall, we can throw it or crush it. And if it's in our pocket and we fall on that side, well, we can crush it or we can't get off of it. I tell them all the time to get a lanyard and to put their cell phone on here. And it's a daily routine. When you get up in the morning, you unplug it. Even if you're just running to the bathroom and coming back, you unplug your cell phone and you put it in your lanyard. And it's in there all day. Even if you have one of those little buttons for at home, it doesn't work out in the public sometimes. What if you fall out in the public somewhere and you don't have your cell phone or it's in your pocket? All the time, I tell them, put it in here. It's with you all day. Your hands are free, so you can do whatever you need to do. It's just here. So that's not what I got it for, but just in case, this is what I tell my patients all the time. Get something like this for your cell phone. This may be a little bit more difficult for an elderly person to open, but in general, it could be a Ziploc bag that they put around with some yarn. Anyway, so this is a waterproof phone case. Again, I got 3. 1 was orange and 2 were yellow. Thank goodness I have all boys. And so we can just use those for anything, and I think it was like 30 cents. Okay, I don't want to do the baking stuff. I was amazed. I could not believe how much baking stuff they had on clearance. And this is Dawn. I think I paid $2. It was not on clearance. I forgot I needed some dish soap. And Dawn, I like because you guys, my mom is the one that told me this too. This will get anything out of your laundry too. Like, I'm sure you guys know that because you see that they use it on like oil for like the birds and stuff. This, my husband had a white shirt and he was devastated. We had already dried it too. And we put some Dawn on it, you guys. And I let it set, I scrubbed it together and I let it set for like 5 minutes, threw it in the washer. That stain is gone. So Dawn will take anything out, almost anything. Trying to make sure I have all my clearance stuff out. My husband, again, like I said before, is bougie on toilet paper and has to use baby wipes. So I did get these. It says $5.95, so I paid about $3. And this has 3 56 count packages. It's $168, and it's name brand, Huggies Natural Care. So yeah, I paid $3 for this huge thing. So that was a steal. I paid 15 cents for this. It's normally $1. My niece absolutely loves sloths, and so I just got it. I thought it was cute. Like I said, it was like 15 cents. Oh, I guess I did everything. I didn't have all the full price stuff. So I got this craft stamp set. I'm hoping it's gonna work. I've never gotten it. It's a 4-pack and it was $1. And it has gold, blue, black, and red. And it's by Art Skills and it's the Crafter's Closet. So I did get that for $1. Oh, here's my jalapeno cheddar dip, the Fritos. So I did already put my chips away. If you guys, so this right here, this jalapeno Fritos cheddar with barbecue chips, the Lay's barbecue. Whew, you guys, I probably should not say this, especially because, you know, things you don't want known all the time should not go on like the international web. I think the World Wide Web. I will sit and eat a whole bag and this at one sitting. Yeah, it's insane. It's the best thing. So this and Lay's barbecue chips, best ever. Been my favorite for forever. Sorry I keep leaning down, guys. I'm really trying to just get stuff out of here. This is the Personal Care Shave Cream. I don't usually use shave cream or anything, but it says $1. I paid 50 cents for it. So I was like, well, I'm not going to get it for cheaper. So I bought it for 50 cents. I do not use body wash because my skin is extremely sensitive. So I can only use like just loofahs and washcloths and nothing. But this is, my kids, they will use anything. And so I got this, the Strip Me Clean Coconut Dreams Body Wash, Glitz and Glam. It was $1.50. I thought it was so cute. and 13.5 fluid ounces. We'll see what my kids say when I put it in their thing. And they are out of lotion, and so this went with it. So this is the Glitz and Glam Velvet Touch Vanilla Silk Body Lotion. Contains almond oil, 13.5 ounces. I also paid $1.50 for this. Now, my oldest son and my, okay, I keep getting cut off. Anyways, my boys will always still like my scented lotions. They always take my Bath & Body Works lotion. So I thought, oh, I'll just get that. You know what? I think I'm going to do these last two, and then I'm going to put like all the, these last couple of things, and then I'm going to put all the baking stuff that I got into a different thing, because this video is getting long. So I did get this purely peppermint infused with essential oils 16-ounce candle by Spa Essentials, and this one is Focus, and this one is Energize. It's Orange Zest, and they are both 16 ounces. Their normal price, I believe, is $5, but I got it for $1.25. And like just alone, the jars are beautiful. Like I love the jars. And the smells were so good. So I really did love those. Oh yeah, love it. And then White Rain Hold Hairspray, again, because it was 55 cents, 7 ounces. I don't know if you guys have seen my videos where I will say like, if it was $5 before, but you put a clearance tag on it and say it's $7 now, I'll be like, deal, and I will get it. So people see me coming. Anyways, so that is all of that stuff. I am going to, so my next video is going to show all my baking stuff that I got, and that is actually going to have 2 giveaways in it, because I picked up stuff so I could do 2 separate giveaways so that people could do some baking and stuff for Christmas. So yeah, go ahead and keep tuned for that one. And again, it will be the Dollar General baking haul. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.